lips real quick because they're dry. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Andrea, and if you're new here, welcome. So today we are going to be trying out this baby right here. As you know, I love TikTok. I mean, it has taken over my life.
How many times can you say that?
But I've learned so many things. So this little baby has gone completely viral, or had gone completely viral. Because as always, I'm kind of late to the trends, but could not find this anywhere. So I ended up ordering it online, and let me tell you what the hell I'm talking about because I haven't even said the name. So today we're going to be trying out the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Powder Foundation, and this is what it looks like. And I'm so excited to try this out because one, I love this foundation, and this is the Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear, obviously the liquid foundation. And two, I have never tried a powder foundation before, so I'm so curious to see what's gonna happen because you guys know my skin is dry. Dry AF. I have, of course, moisturized the heck out of my skin just to make sure it's nice and not dry. And then I'm gonna prime with the you know it. I'm not even gonna say it because you know it by now. But yeah. And I saw Kathleen Lights upload a video on this. I didn't watch it all the way just because I wanted to have my own opinions on it, but I did want to see how it kind of looked on her at first because she also has dry skin and because Kathleen doesn't know who the heck I am. But in my mind, we're best friends. I love her and her channel so much. So if she likes something, I usually end up liking it too because we have similar skin types. Yeah, let's go ahead and start. I'm going to apply concealer before the foundation, which I never do that, but I have to do it today because it's powder foundation. And let me actually zoom you guys in. Ooh, I look so naked without my lashes. But I did get rid of my eyelash extensions for 2 reasons. One, I can't tell you why yet, but you'll know soon. And 2, I got some magnetic lashes I want to try out. Maybe I'll include that on this video too. Just let's try 2 things. Time to test out this foundation. I got this foundation in the color 120 Vanilla. Shade ranges were interesting and I got it online. So I kind of tried to do the best that I could, and I'll be using the little sponge it comes with. And I don't know how to even use this because, well, I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna start using it. So I would say it is my shade because I can't like even see it. I don't know how to feel about it. I don't know what's too much. I don't know what's too little. I think it has covered some spots, but I'm scared to add any more because I am dry, so I feel like that's good. Okay, so I think I applied enough powder because if I keep going, I'm gonna be a cakey mess. It looks pretty good. It covered me pretty well. Not my favorite, I'm not gonna lie. It's not my favorite, not the foundation per se, but the powder because I don't know. But you know what? Let me do the rest of my face and then I'll be right back when everything's on. I'm gonna use a little bit of setting spray just to make sure, you know, everything is nice and blended and seamless and melted into the skin. And then I'll give you my final thoughts. Also, I have decided we are gonna try those magnetic lashes because otherwise this video would be a little boring and don't like that. So I will be right back. Okay, so I just finished getting ready. I did the rest of my face. Everything went on very smoothly. So the bronzer, the blush, the highlighter, everything went on super smooth on the powder foundation, and I like it a lot more now that everything else is on. And I don't know, I kind of actually like it now. I don't think I look cakey at all, which was my biggest worry with the powder foundation. But yeah, let's zoom you guys in, see what you think. And what do you guys think? Of course, I am going to check in back later, just like I did with the e.l.f. Camo CC Cream, just so you guys can see how it looks hours later. And now for the second part of this video, let's try magnetic lashes. So I picked up these little lashes from Target, and they are from Eylure. I liked it because it's like half a lash, so it's not too in your face, but I usually end up cutting lashes anyway, so I think with these I won't have to cut anything. And then of course it comes with the magnetic liner, so I think if this ends up working out for me, it is going to be a game changer, because whenever I don't have my lash extensions on, I can not only wear eyeliner with this, but to be able to put on lashes without the struggle, because let me just tell you,
there's a reason why YouTubers always skip the lash part.
Okay, it is a struggle, or at least it is for me. There'll be a day where they go on so smoothly, and then there's other days where I just cannot do it for the life of me. So if this works, it'll be a game changer for sure. Oh my god, I'm so excited for this. I have not worn eyeliner in so long, so don't judge me if it looks like crap, because it's been a while. Ever since I got my eyelash extensions, I don't wear eyeliner ever. Okay, so now I'm going to apply the eyeliner, and I'll probably skip through because, as you guys know, I can't see, so I have to get really close to the mirror. I don't know. I guess you'll find out if you're gonna be able to see me doing this or not. Should I wing it out? What do you guys think? It's been such a long time! I think I'm gonna do a small wing. I'm regretting that decision right now. Okay, the eyeliner is on. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I attempted a wing, but it's just, I'm not there yet. It's been 2 years since I wore eyeliner, so
it was a mess,
to put it lightly. So I took off the wings and just left it like this. So now that the eyeliner is on, let's try these magnetic lashes, because they sound so gimmicky. Like, I don't believe they're gonna work. So let's see. I'm not even gonna use the tweezers, because if they're magnetic, I won't need them, right? I will use them. There you go. It actually worked. No way. I can't believe it. Oh, well, if I read the instructions, right? So it's supposed to be 3 layers of the eyeliner. And I didn't do that, so.
why don't I read the instructions?
Let's apply 1 more layer. I think I already had 2 layers from my little one before. So this one actually doesn't have 3 layers, but it's stuck on pretty nicely, so we're gonna leave that one as it is, because I'm on the struggle bus right now when it comes to lashes. It's been a long time, but I do like these, especially because they look so natural. I am obsessed, and I didn't have to cut them. I didn't have to do anything to them. I just put on the eyeliner and it went right on. I'm obsessed. Look, guys, I have little lashes on and they look so cute. Okay, the last thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to set my face, because my face is gonna need it, especially later on. I don't want this to look cakey. It looks so good. Like, I cannot believe it looks this good. Because when I first applied it, I wasn't loving it, but now like everything came together for me and I really, really like how it looks. So I'm going to be using the Beauty Crops Cocoa Gold Mist. I mentioned this a few videos back and I think it's gonna be great because it is more of a dewy setting spray, if you will. So it's gonna help control that dryness too.
Eventually.
Hey guys, I'm in my car right now. Quick update. I wanted to show you guys because I'm going to pick up my girls. Their grandmother was watching them, but I thought this lighting would be perfect to show you guys how my skin is holding up. It looks so good.
Leave it up to TikTok.
I'm so impressed with this foundation. I think it looks amazing and this is a game changer for me because I never ever use powder foundation. As long as I moisturize and make sure my skin is nice and hydrated, I'll be using more of this. So that's it, just a quick update. It has been about 4 hours since I did my makeup and it looks pretty good. And yeah guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think about how the foundation looks, how it held up throughout the day. Just let me know your thoughts down below. And if you do own this powder foundation, tell me what you think of it. Do you like it? Are we all going to start using this now? Just let me know. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Hit that little bell so you never miss any of my videos. Leave me video suggestions for content you would like to see in the future, and I'll see you guys in my next video.